Sup, y'all? About to do another belching video. Got a white grape club soda. Anyway, let's get started. How you guys doing? I'm doing all right. Mom's doing better. She's needing less oxygen. She went on dialysis. So currently she's just kind of slowly getting better. So one day at a time, you know? I guess I'll play Quake. Yeah, let's play Quake again. I haven't been on here for a week or longer than that. So trying to make some more videos, trying to get some more watch time for you guys. Let's get started. I got shot again. And again. Oh man, I lost a shell. Crap. That didn't do anything, man. What the frick? Holy crap! Holy crap! I'm almost dead! I'm gonna play it right this time. I'm not gonna mess up. Stupid dog. You made me look bad. That's right. Yeah, I don't think he knows how to aim at all. First time using the grenade launcher, dude. That hurt a lot. That hurt a lot. Oh! No! 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 Woo! Yeah. Take a break. Let's do a belch break. Belch break. Yeah. Woo! Oh. Get back! Dad! If he really can't see, yeah. I scream like a woman. Those things made me squeal, man. Sorry, but man, that scared the heck out of me, dude. 306. It's not bad. Jerk. Once again. I just almost killed myself. This guy's an idiot. Can't even aim like me. Aim like a human. Use your brain. Oh boy. That did quite a lot of damage. Collateral damage. Oh! You just splattered, man. Yeah. I died! Ah! Calm down. It's okay. Ew, that was nasty. That was really nasty. Splattery. Whoa, where did you come from? Came back. I ain't gonna get attacked. And you're gonna get smack-a-lacked. Smack and cheese, yeah. You're gonna get the smack and cheese because I'm serving it up. It's serving it up. Yeah, that smack and cheese. You already know. Smack and cheese. Oh, he rocked me. Miss! Yeah, just attack each other. Alright, I think that's it, guys. I'm done. You want me to play another game? Because I really am sick of this game. I'm sick of the blood and gore, man. Just kidding. I love the gore! Psych. I don't love them. I ain't no cannibal. That you're a hoe. Come on. I don't want to play SG-100. What the heck is that? Sega CD? Crash Bandicoot. Okay, let's play some Crash Bandicoot. Yeah. And you know that game is a hoot. That's a hoot. You think that you're cute? Interactive Studios? Think that you're cute, you hoe? While you're in the studio? Who would know that you a hoe? Sanity Beach, okay. Man, want to hear the weakest burp? I've never played this game. I never had a PlayStation. It's lame. And I'm going to diss J Station because he's a gay played station. And he likes to be crazy station with Satanism. And I want to tell you, you should always hate J Station. He's in a... Okay. He's into Satanism. And I'm not. I'm into Christianism. So you better know, it ain't schismatism. And it ain't schizo in this ism. Is me. I got the mask, you see. Can't believe I fell, man. I failed. This game's pretty fun. I pressed the wrong button. I pressed the wrong button. Map. Loaded. You don't know, but I like to burp for sure. I ran out of soda. Soda sucks. Without the soda sucking. I just got flattened out. Flat out lost. Got that skunk. That's what it sounds like. Whoa! Crazy Bruce Lee animal. It's a crazy Bruce Lee animal. He just makes that noise, you know? And he's read all his books. Whoa! It's actually the mask that's making that noise. The mask, whatever you call him. Oh, I'm definitely not doing that. I am gonna... Like that. Oh, yeah, buddy boy. Oh, yeah. Burgers. 2% complete. Don't. Come on. There's no card directory. Come on now. Oh, come on. Well, anyhow, I'm gonna make this a little short this time. I've done enough of that burping, man. Oh, I'm tired, ready to go to bed. How about you guys? One more game. Oh, I got knocked out. I got knocked out again! Oh! Okay. Nature calls. So there you go. All right, guys. I'm about to do some a little more belching. But I'm gonna turn this off. Yeah, I'm done. So, you know. Yeah, that was good. Oh, man. I had some tacos and it was, oh, man. It's starting to hit me now. You know what? This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to chug this whole thing. I don't even care, man. It's the last time I'm going to burp. Oh man, that was a week. Oh. Yeah, I didn't have any spark in it at all. No spark at all. That was just like a dud. All right, I'll see you guys. My sister's at the hospital. She's staying for another week, and I'm going to be able to see my mom and everything every day. So, no symptoms. I don't have any symptoms. Good thing. Okay, anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. I'll make more videos tomorrow, maybe. I'm going to go throw up and blow up the toilet. You know what time it is? You know what time it is? No, you don't. It's time to go. Time to go. Do you know the reference of that? Time to go. It's from Metroid. Anyway. Samus, let's go on a date. We can kill Metroids and make Metroid gelatin. That would be so much fun. Come on, Samus, let's go on a date. Let's go bounty hunting. Yeah, kill all the Metroids, make some gelatin out of them. Yeah, some gelatin. Some jello. A ton. Jello ton. A ton of jello, hon. Okay, I gotta go. Nature's calling. So, all right. Peace.